Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel .NET Trojan. Today I am going to explain access modifier in the C .NET. So in the object-oriented programming world, we have classes. In the class, we have variable, we have member function. So in order to provide accessibility layer, we have several kinds of access modifier available in C Sharp. So with the help of access modifier, we can provide or we can protect the accessibility layer to these classes, member function, and member variable. We have public access modifier, private, protected, protected internal, internal, private protected. Private protected recently introduced in C Sharp version 7.2 and later on. So in order to understand these access modifier, let's take some example of real scenario of the project. So whenever we are going to develop a project, in the project we can have class, inheritance, separate classes, and we can have other project which is referencing the previous one project, and in the other project we can also implement inheritance. In other project we can also have some normal classes. So guys, this is the project structure. So in the this project structure I have created one class named access modifiers in the project one, and this class having the methods which is public, private, protected, protected internal, internal, and private protected method. So in the project one, we have inheritance implemented, we have normal class. So when we use the combination of access modifier like protected internal, it says that the combination of both will be applied to the this method. It means protected says that the method or variable can be accessible in the inheritance. Doesn't matter it is inheritance is using on to the same assembly, inheritance is using on to the different assembly. But internal says that uh, the member function or member variable can be accessible within the same assembly. So it is the combination of both. So when we use the protected internal, it means that it can be accessible from the same assembly in inheritance as well as in the other assembly with the inheritance. So when we declare a method as a public, it means that it can be accessible from anywhere, no restriction. When we declare as a private private says that it can be accessible within the class only. When we declare protected says that it can be accessible in the inheritance only. Protected internal says that it can be accessed within the same assembly in the inheritance or any other assembly within the inheritance. Internal says that it can be accessible in the same assembly only in the inheritance or on the normal class. When we declare private protected, it can be accessible in the same assembly in the inheritance only. It cannot be accessible onto the other assembly. So guys, let's come to the demo. Here you can see I have created console app 2. In the console app 2, uh, okay, let me change the name of the project so that it is easily to understood. So console app 1. Okay, so in the console app 1, I have the class program. In this program class I have public method, private method, protected internal method, and protected private protected method. Okay, so I have created some normal class here, and trying to access the method of program class. So here you can see I am able to access only public, protected internal and internal. Coming to next, uh, this is class 2, which is inheriting program. And let's see in this inheritance which method we are able to access. In this we are able to access public, protected, protected internal, internal, private protected. So this is project 2, this is referencing project 1, and in this project this is program project 2 class, which is inheriting the program. And trying to access, we are able to access public, protected and protected internal. And from the normal class we are able to access only public method. So one more important things about the class: when we declare a class as a public, only then you can accessible this class from the other assembly. Let's see. Right now I have not declared any access modifier before the class. It means this class will be by default as an internal. So I am just checking in the program. Look at here, the program is not accessible. It means that the right now the program is internal, and internal cannot be accessed from the other assembly. So we have to mark this program class as a public. And one more thing, class can be internal or class can be public. Class cannot be protected, class cannot be protected internal, class cannot be private, class cannot be private protected. So guys, in this you have learned about access modifier in C Sharp. You have any confusion or you have any query, you can comment in the comment section. And guys, please likes and share the video if you are able to understand these access modifier. And please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon in order to get notification about other video. Thank you so much for watching.